If you suffer from anemia or iron deficiency, you know that low iron levels can leave you feeling exhausted and weak. This is due to lack of oxygen being delivered to tissues and a buildup of carbon dioxide. Iron-rich foods are therefore important for your health. Here are the 10 best foods to increase iron levels. 1. Fortified breakfast cereals. Breakfast cereals are often a leading source of iron, but it's essential to choose the right types. The key is to look for a fortified cereal that contains 100% of the daily value of iron. Heading straight for the colorful, sugar-heavy cereals is not the best way to boost dietary iron. 2. White beans. White beans have the richest iron content of any bean. Canned white beans are also an excellent source of iron for people who do not have the time to sort and soak raw beans. Keep an eye on the sodium content, as manufacturers often add it to canned goods as a preservative. Enjoy white beans by themselves, in a salad, or add them to stews, soups, and pasta dishes. 3. Organ meats. While people often overlook organ meats, they're a great source of vital nutrients, including iron. The exact amount depends on which type of organ it is, as well as its source. Popular types include liver, kidneys, brain, and heart, all of which are high in iron. 4. Cooked oysters. Shellfish is tasty and nutritious. All shellfish is high in iron, but clams, oysters, and mussels are particularly good sources. For instance, a 3.5-ounce serving of clams may contain up to 3 milligrams of iron. Raw oysters contain a wide variety of nutrients, but cooked oysters are safer to eat. 5. Soybeans. Soybeans are an ideal protein source in vegetarian diets, but these nutrient-dense legumes have a range of other benefits, including dense iron content, which is valuable to everyone. Try replacing meat with soybeans in main dishes, or add dried versions to salads to add a nutritious crunch to the texture. 6. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate lovers have another reason to tuck into their favorite treat. Dark chocolate contains significantly more nutrients than its milk chocolate counterpart. Not only does it offer 3.3 milligrams of iron per ounce, but also contains a good amount of fiber, magnesium, copper, and manganese. 7. Lentils. Just a half-cup serving of lentils packs almost 20% of your daily iron needs. If you're not used to eating lentils or don't know where to start, they're a great addition to soups and stews, curries, and even burgers. You can even boil some lentils with pasta to give your meal a nutrient boost. Lentils cook more quickly than beans, so they are perfect when seeking a quick fix of iron to meet the daily requirement. 8. Tofu. Another staple of the vegetarian diet is tofu, which often comes fried. Sourcing iron from plant-based foods is particularly important in the vegetarian diet, as iron is most abundant in animal products. Eating enough foods such as tofu and soybeans can ensure that a vegetarian diet provides more than enough iron to meet daily requirements. 9. Sardines. Scaly fish are an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. While shellfish have the edge on iron content, sardines can also pack a powerful iron punch. Eat sardines on their own as a fishy snack or as part of a more substantial meal. 10. Spinach. Spinach has a reputation for its high vitamin A content, but it's also a valuable source of iron. A half cup of boiled, drained spinach contains a good amount of iron, as well as a range of other essential nutrients. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on the 7 best alkaline foods you must have in your daily diet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.